Sandipan Munde, and I am going to share the information about the punctuation in English. This is the part 1 video which I share to you, and it is very basic information that I will tell you in this video. So friend, many of the students are doesn't know about this topic of English grammar, that is punctuation. In my experience, lot of students are doesn't know where to use the punctuation marks, how many punctuation marks, and what is the use of it. So that's why I feel that I want to make the video for that students, those who are not aware about the punctuation. So friend, today we will discuss, are going to give the information about this most important topic of the English. So friend, first of all, the punctuation marks we will taught from the first class, or you have a basic information about the punctuation marks, how to use that punctuation marks, but unfortunately the students are not aware to use of it. So friend, we will start about the what is punctuation marks. What is punctuation marks? The punctuation mark is, the real definition of punctuation mark is, and it is very easy to understand to every student who learn the English language. The definition is a set of symbols, or you may say the set of marks to use the divide, or to use the separate the words, class and sentence, is called punctuation. It is very easy definition friends, and there are 14 punctuation marks, mainly 14 punctuation marks in our English language. So many of them you are also know about it. They are comma, full stop, hyphen, semicolon, question marks, exclamation marks, inverted comma, double inverted comma and single inverted comma, and so many marks are used in our writing, day-to-day writing, and we all know about how to use it. The next point of my point is why it need to use punctuation mark in the language, or you may write, if you may write any piece of writing, where to use, why to use, is a question. So what is the need of punctuation? So friend, need of punctuation, if there will be the not punctuation in our writing, in our reading, or in our any skill, so a reader is confused to understand the text, context, and even the reader is confused where to stop, where to break it, where to take a break, where to stop, and hence it is very essential to take a rest, a little while rest to it, and that is why punctuation is very needed for the reader of English language. So student, the first rule is to use the punctuation is every sentence, every word you may write, it should be in capital letter. Every sentence, every word you may write is in a capital, first letter is in a capital, or in a word, in a sentence. Every sentence, every word start with capital letters. First sentence, and at the end we stop, and for the stop we take or we put the full stop at the end of the sentence. So there are so many punctuation mark. I have discussed about few punctuation marks which is very helpful for the SSC student, for the 8th to 12th standard student, and even the student who are prepared for various examination. So first of all we will learn about the full stop. So friend, as you know, the full stop is used at the end of sentences. Friend, so many students are does not know the types of sentences. So today I will tell you the four main kinds of sentences. Number 1, declarative sentence, or you may call assertive sentence. Number 2, interrogative sentence. Number 3, imperative sentence. And number 4, exclamatory sentence. So these are four kinds of sentence. How to identify it, you may already know about it. If you not known, we make the another video. So friend, these four kinds of sentences, add these all types of sentences which is used in English, at the end we give the full stop. So full stop is show that this sentence is completed here, and that's why reader know about the rest of point. So it is very essential to put the full stop at the end of the sentence. Second one is comma. Comma is used to separate the two words or more than two words, two sentences. It may be noun, it may be pronoun. These comma is used to separate. The function of comma is used to separate the sentences and words. Suppose I will give the example. Ram, Sham, Meena is a best friend. So how we punctuate it? Ram, Sham, Ram, comma, Sham and Meena are the best friends. Like this. So this is the use of comma. So in the sentence, as I told you now, the sentence like this, you have used the comma, punctuation mark. Third one is question mark. So friend, as you know, there are two kinds of questions. The questions start with any modal verb or any helping verbs in English, and the second one is the words or the sentence start with the WH word is called WH question. So there are two kinds of questions in English: yes no questions and WH questions. So these questions at the end we take the question mark, and at the bottom of it we have used the full stop. Next one is exclamation mark, or it may be say exclamatory mark. So exclamatory mark is used to express our feeling. It may be sad, it may be good, any feeling. It may be tiresome. So any feeling or any sentence, any exclamatory sentence end with the exclamatory mark or exclamation mark. So this is exclamation mark, and exclamation mark is used to show the feelings, sudden feeling of the human nature. So it is used in exclamatory mark in exclamatory sentence. Next one is hyphen. Hyphen is used to incomplete the sentence or incomplete the word. If at the end of the sentence there is not a proper place to write the sentence or the word, at that time we give the hyphen and another remaining part of word or sentence right before it. So it is used in, so reader is understand that this is the half one, and from the hyphen to half part, that is the half one. So it is complete sense to get the reader. So it is used the hyphen here. It means combination. It means combination. So punctuation. Next one is semicolon. Semicolon is used to connect the two sentences. Small sentence you want to connect it. So it is already observed in the newspaper. If you look at the properly in the newspaper or any piece of writing, at that time semicolon is used. So it is the function of semicolon. The function of semicolon is to connect the two sentences, means two main important ideas, that at that time we have used the semicolon. Next one is inverted comma. So again inverted comma is divided into two parts. Number one single inverted comma, and number two double inverted comma. Single inverted comma is highlight or the focus the specific word that was reader want to tell you. At that time we have used the single inverted comma. Single inverted comma and double inverted comma is used in narration. It means it is used in direct and indirect speech for the purpose of the SSC examination, or from 8th to 10th, 10 to 12 examination. At that time we have used double inverted comma. Here I want to give you the example. Sham said, so in the examination, first keep in your mind, in the examination we have not given the punctuation. We put the exact punctuation marks in the sentence in the examination. So punctuate it. In the examination there will be a suggestion is given within the bracket to put the proper punctuation. So you have to read first of all the sentence, and then you have to uh, uh, divide the sentence in which category it has. It may be assertive, it may be question, it may be imperative, it may be exclamatory, or it may be narration. So you have to identify once, and then at that time we have to use this inverted comma. So I will give the example here. Sham said, I am doing study. So in this particular sentence, Sham said. So Sham, Sham is not given in the capital letter. It is always given in examination in a small letter. So Sham's first letter is yes. So yes is written in capital letter. Sham said. From the said to from the said, the next sentence is start. So at that time, from the said, we should begin the double inverted comma. From the said, ask, exclaim, replied, these are the words are coming in the sentences. So from at that time we give the single inverted comma start. So it is like this, single inverted comma start. And next one, from the said, so another sentence is start. So first letter of sentence here is I am doing study. So I is also put in a capital letter, and I am doing study is a declarative kind of sentence. At that time we uh, give the full stop at the end. But how the double inverted comma close, and then double inverted comma close, and then at the end of the sentence we put the full stop. So like this, in the examination we have to solve these uh, punctuations. So it is very essential for the student as well as the teachers of the English. And you all, I hope this session will be enjoyed by all the students. It is very basic information I will give in this video. So in the next video I will uh, come with the sentences, how to use the punctuation in the sentences. We will talk later's video. So you will all be waiting to my next punctuation video part 2. Thank you very much.